Hello everyone. We are Group 1 from Grade 11 Round 8. Our English teacher is Teacher Ning. Before starting our presentations, I would like to present some Myanmar traditional food.
They are the most popular Myanmar traditional food. Mohinga, tea leaf salad, shan noodle, coconut noodle, sanui makin, mok jue de, mok long yi bo, yi mok, mok si jo, mok pitalat, Htoe Mont, etc. Among them, we would like to present you what is Htoe Mont and how to make Htoe Mont. So, what is Htoe Mont? Htoe Mont is a traditional Burmese dessert mode originating from Italy.
How to make Htoe Mont? The ingredients to make the brick are glutinous rice flour, sugar water, milk butter oil, ground peanuts, watermelon yolk, peanut seeds, coconut, milk, salt. If you are going to make the dough fast, salt the two sticks in oil so that the dough doesn't stick when you mix it. Dissolve the glutinous rice powder with water. Stir until there are no more lumps. Then sugar, salt, oil, bitter peanuts, add the chopped coconut and stir until the sugar dissolves. Put the glutinous rice powder, dilute with water in a rice cooker and cook it like rice. If it cooks for the first time, remove what stick to the bottom of the pot and cook again. If it is cooked, if you leave it to soft for 1 hour, the glutinous rice will be completely cooked. Put a pan on the stove to make the Htoe Mont. Add the whole glutinous rice mix. After that, watermelon yolk, add a little butter and stir. If it becomes too sticky, add more butter and stir. If it starts to stick while stirring, add the rest of the butter and stir. Stir for about 20 minutes, and when the glutinous rice has changed color, put it in a grease tray with the stove and let it cool. When it cools down, cut it into small pieces and sprinkle some fried coconut on top, and you can eat it. This method is the easiest way to get the dough. This monthly delicacy is often served in half coconut shells.
After watching our presentations, you can make and eat Htoe Mont deliciously. The participations in our presentations are 202204133 as a presenter, 202204193 as a presenter, 202204201 as its editor, 202204268 is also presenters and editor. Some information and images for our presentations are referenced from Google's and other websites. Thank you all for watching until the end.